Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to create multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So this should be quick and simple to do. So if you look at your profile icon on the top right, click on it. Now you've got two options. You can go through the YouTube Studio way or just click on settings. Either way it's going to be the same. So we'll just go ahead and click on settings. And you'll see on your YouTube channel, under your actual profile account, you'll see add or manage your channels or channel. So technically we have one channel, which is ProfileTree. So we'll just click on it. Now there's currently 3 channels to this Google account. So of course my own personal channel, and then a channel that I had created, and the channel that we're on now. So all you need to do is go ahead and click create a channel, and you can go ahead and name that channel whatever you want. Click I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, and then click create. So it's that easy. So there you have it guys, that is how to create multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. If you guys found this video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.